Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have their finances under control, even when they don't earn a huge salary? Why some folks can travel, invest, save for the future, and still enjoy life, while others are constantly stressed about money? Well, the answer often comes down to one simple money rule. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how to use it, and why it could change your life, starting today. This isn't a get-rich-quick trick. It's a proven system that brings clarity, balance, and control to your money. And it's called the 50/30/20 rule. The 50/30/20 rule is a budgeting method that helps you divide your income into just 3 simple categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Let's break each one down. First, 50% of your income goes to needs. These are the non-negotiables. Things like rent or mortgage, electricity, groceries, transportation, health insurance, anything you must pay to live and work. So, if you earn 200,000 Nigerian Nairas per month, half of that, Nigerian Naira 100,000, should cover all your essential expenses. If your needs are costing more than 50%, that's a signal. It might be time to cut back, downsize, or renegotiate. Next up, 30% goes to wants. Now here's the fun part. These are things you choose to spend money on: dining out, movies, shopping, weekend trips, subscriptions, hobbies. All the nice-to-haves that make life enjoyable. It's important to budget for fun, but the key is balance. Don't let your wants sabotage your needs or your future. And finally, 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. This is where financial freedom begins. This category covers your emergency fund, retirement contributions, investment accounts, and paying down debts like student loans, credit cards, or personal loans. If you're starting from scratch, begin with a small emergency fund. Then tackle high-interest debt. And once you're out of the red, start investing and growing your money. Let's take a real-world example. Meet Chioma. She earns 300,000 Nigerian Nairas per month. Following the 50/30/20 rule, her budget looks like this: 150,000 Nigerian Nairas for rent, groceries, transport, her needs; 90,000 Nigerian Nairas for eating out, self-care, movies, her wants; 60,000 Nigerian Nairas into savings and debt repayment, her future. Simple, right? But also powerful. Within 6 months, Chioma paid off her credit card debt, built a safety net, and started investing 20,000 Nigerian Nairas monthly. All because she followed this one money rule. Now you might be thinking, what if my income is too small to follow this rule? Here's the truth. It's not about perfection. It's about direction. Even if your numbers look more like 70/20/10 at the start, what matters is that you're tracking, adjusting, and being intentional. So, how can you start using the 50/30/20 rule today? Know your net income. That's your take-home pay after taxes and deductions. Categorize your expenses. Use a spreadsheet, notebook, or budgeting app to list your spending. Make adjustments. Are your needs over 50%? Are your savings less than 20%? Shift things around where possible. Stick with it. Track your progress weekly or monthly. It gets easier over time. Here's the bottom line. Money doesn't control you unless you let it. With the 50/30/20 rule, you give your money purpose, and that changes everything. So, whether you earn a little or a lot, this one rule can help you save smarter, spend wiser, and live with less stress. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple money tips, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Because sometimes, one small shift is all it takes to change your financial future. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at Elite Mindset.